Welcome back to my channel Shubha Vivacity. Today I am presenting a new dish named Rohu steamed gravy with common ingredients. So I will show you the ingredients. Here, come with me. I have taken 4 pieces of Rohu fish. So let's marinate it with turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt, and lemon juice. Marinate it well. So the marination is done. So we will leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's speak about the main ingredients. 3 onions, a piece of ginger, and green chilies according to your taste. Let me speak about these 3 important ingredients.
3 spoons of black mustard seeds, 4 spoons of white mustard seeds, and 3 spoons of poppy seeds. That is also called pusto.
So I am going to make a paste of these 3 ingredients in mixer grinder. I am putting some mustard oil. Let's heat the pan. Now the oil is heated. I am going to fry this onion just to avoid the raw smell. Raw smell is gone. I am going to make a paste of this onion. Now with this marinated fish, we are going to fry this fish, but make sure it is not deep fried. Putting some mustard oil on it. So let's heat it. A little more. Oil is heated perfectly. Now let's make a shallow fry. We are frying the other side. Slowly you have to do it. We will make a shallow fry for another half a minute. Fish fry is done. This is a very flat bowl with which we are going to prepare steamed rohu fish. This is a paste of black mustard seeds, white mustard seeds, poppy seeds along with ginger. Shallow fried onion paste I am adding. Turmeric as per taste. red chili powder as per taste, and cumin powder also as per taste. Four spoons of curds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and mixing it. Mix it well. Salt as per taste. Now we are adding fish, but in both sides we need to mix the spices. Slitted green chilies I am adding. Raw mustard oil as per the quantity. Done with the preparation of steaming. We have to steam our dish. I am adding water. I am putting this ball into it. Cover it with a lid. Let's cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. It's cooked for 25 minutes and our recipe is done. And so I will allow it to cool for a few more minutes. See how beautiful it looks. I will taste and let you know how delicious it is. Guys, it is very tasty and flavor is perfect. I recommend you to prepare same recipe at your home. Meanwhile, I am enjoying my food. Bye.